Hi friends, welcome to the accountancy class. In this module, we are going to learn about the term accounting equation. There has been a revolution in every field of knowledge. Scientific approach towards every subject has emerged as a basic consideration to decide its utility. Scientific studies were also made in accounting and result was the discovery of accounting equation. The study revealed that accounting rotates round the three terms, that is, assets, liabilities, and capital. The entire accounting structure is based upon these three terms. Now we are going to study these three topics before explaining the accounting equation. Assets, liabilities, and capital are constitutes of business transactions. First term is assets. The acceptable meaning of asset is the valuable things owned by the firm. Expenditure for acquiring these valuable articles for use in the business is also termed as assets. The assets are acquired for constant future use. They are not meant for sale. These assets increases the profit earning capacity of the business. An asset is a resource controlled by the entity as a result of past events from which future economic benefits are expected. Or, in other words, assets are what the business owns. Assets are the economic resources of an organization that can be usefully expressed in monetary terms. Assets are items of value used by the business in its operation. For example, Super Bazaar owns a fleet of trucks which is used for it for delivering foodstuffs. The trucks thus provide economic benefit to the enterprise. This item will be shown on the asset side of the balance sheet of the Super Bazaar. Assets can be broadly classified into two types. They are current assets and non-current assets. Non-current assets are also known as fixed assets. Fixed assets can be divided into two, tangible assets and intangible assets. The examples of tangible assets are land, building, plant, machinery, furniture, fixtures, etc. The examples of intangible assets are goodwill, patent, copyright, trademarks, mining rights, etc. Current assets examples are current investment, inventories, trade receivable, cash and cash equivalents, short-term loans and advances, other current assets, etc. Assets are the economic resources owned by the company. Assets includes cash balance, bank balance, account receivable, land, building, equipments, store supplies, vehicles, account receivable, intangible assets, etc. These assets are classified as fixed, floating, fictitious, intangible, and liquid assets. The value of these assets goes on changing, that is, increases or decreases during the year. Current and liquid assets such as cash, debtors, and inventory constantly change. There is irregular change in fixed assets with their purchase and sale, but regular change due to depreciation. Increase and decrease in the assets is the regular feature. Now we are going to learn about the term liabilities. Creditors and proprietors' claim against the assets of the business is termed as its liability. Proprietors' claim is termed as capital, which we shall be discussing later on. Liabilities are also known as equities or claim. Creditors and proprietors' claim against the assets of business is termed as its liability. Proprietors' claim is termed as capital. Then the liabilities are also known as equities or claims. The term liability means the claim of outsiders against the business, such as creditors for goods and expenses. Liability is the account for which the firm is indebted to outside parties. Certain external liabilities are creditors for goods, that is, sundry creditors and bills payable. It is also known as accounts payable. Then creditors for expenses, that is, outstanding salaries, unpaid wages, rent due but not paid. Then last item is other liabilities. They are bank loan or overdraft, partners loan, loan from financial institutions, that is IFC, IDBI, etc., debentures, employees provident fund, workmen compensation fund, etc. Liabilities also go on changing, their value either increasing or decreases. In case of increase, the business will have to pay more, and in case of decrease, the business will have to pay lesser. Liabilities are the obligations or debts that an enterprise has to pay at some time in the future. They represent creditors' claim on the firm's assets. Liabilities can be divided into two: non-current liabilities and current liabilities. Non-current liabilities includes long-term borrowings, deferred tax liabilities, other long-term liabilities, and long-term provisions. Current liabilities includes short-term borrowings, trade payable, other current liabilities, and short-term provisions. Capital is the money invested in the business. The various liabilities are account payable, notes payable, wages payable, tax payable, etc. Creditors are the people or companies to whom a business owns something like money. Now we are going to study the term accounting equation. Business transactions are financial in nature, and so every transaction affects the financial position of the business. These transactions increase or decrease the assets, liabilities, or capital. Every business has certain assets. These assets are purchased with the funds supplied to the business by its proprietors or creditors. Proprietors and creditors' funds, in whatever form they are, create assets. Now I am going to give you one example. Suppose the business receives rupees 1 lakh as capital from the proprietor and retains that in the firm. It will create an asset, that is cash in hand. If rupees 80,000 are deposited into bank, the total capital will be represented by two assets, that is cash of rupees 20,000 and rupees 80,000 in bank account. If a machine costing rupees 20,000 are purchased and payment is made out of bank deposit, the assets will now consist of cash in hand of rupees 20,000, cash at bank of 60,000, and the furniture of 20,000. As such, accounting equation is a statement of equality between debits and credits. The equation for calculating accounting equation is assets equal to liabilities plus capital. Assets are the economic resources of the company. Then liabilities are the financial obligations or debts of a business. Then owner's claim on the assets of a business is shareholders' funds, that is capital.